I hope everything is doing okay. Gusto ko lang pakilala sa sarili ko. My name is Ian Liangco. My friends call me Shuk. To give you a bit of background about me, I was a marketing graduate. I was 8 years in college. Ang pangit man pong pakinggan, pero that's the reality. I was a call center agent before, way back 2013 and 2016. Nag-try din po ako magpunta sa ibang bansa by the year of 2018. But then, after a few months, napag-decide po ako na tuloy ko ang pag-aaral ko. So by the year 2018, a friend of mine introduced me e-commerce. I was still a student by that time. So naging interesado ako. And then my friend told me, pare, prepare ka ng 50,000. Grabe ka naman, pare, 50,000 student ako. Tapos 8 years na ako sa college, wala sa akin parents ko, di ba? Saan ako hahanap nun? Tuition fee nga, ginastos ko eh. Sabi ko, pare, can you help me? Puntahan natin mother ko. Cut the long story short, luckily, this time ang mother ko hindi na siya nabigo. I want to share na kung ano yung na-achieve ko tsaka yung mga na-experience ko with e-commerce. Nag-start ako, sa bahay lang ako, oras, pagod, time, money na in-invest ko sa e-commerce. Hindi biro. To master e-commerce, ang ginawa ko, training. Online, di ba? Everything you can do online as long as you have smartphones, tablets. Na-excite ako kasi parang ang na-experience ko before, nung starting ako nagpapak. Kumbaga, lahat ng hirap, ako yung nag-advertise. Lahat ng hirap pinagdaanan ko. Pero nung nakita ko yung purpose ni Chairman, sabi ko, sige, go natin yan. Siguro kaya nandito ako ngayon. Kumbaga, may purpose si God eh. Kumbaga, para at least mabahagi ko na sa inyo yung skills and knowledge ko. And I'm really excited about it.